You have a nerve in your body that controls inflammation, heart rate, digestion, and your ability to heal. Most healers have no idea how to activate it. And I'm talking about the vagus nerve and the science behind what it actually does. And it's absolutely mind blowing. I'm Tina Brigittini, holistic therapist and instructor of Brigittini Energy School. And today I am going to show you why your vagus nerve is the missing piece in your healing practice. So, whether you work doing energy healing work, body work, massage therapy, Reiki therapy, any therapeutic modality, understanding this nerve will completely transform how you help your clients heal. And here's the thing, it's not woo woo, it's actually backed by NIH research, neuroscience studies, and measurable biological changes. So, what exactly is the vagus nerve? It's the longest cranial nerve in your body, and it starts in your brainstem. And it travels through your neck, your chest, your abdomen, connecting to your heart, your lungs, your digestive system, and major organs. It's literally your body's superhighway between your brain and all your organs. But here's where it gets fascinating for healers. The vagus nerve controls your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest, digest, and heal mode. And when it's activated, your body shifts out of fight or flight and into a state where healing can actually happen. And research is incredible. NIH studies show that vagus nerve stimulation reduces inflammation by 34 to 36%. It activates the anti-inflammatory pathway. So basically, a vagus nerve tells your brain, which tells your spleen to instruct immune cells to stop producing inflammatory cytokines, specifically TNF. So your vagus nerve is literally talking to your immune system, telling it to calm down. And it gets better because research shows that vagus nerve activation actually improves recovery after a stroke, particularly when combined with rehabilitation. It shows sustained antidepressant effects over 1 to 2 years, and it activates specialized molecules that accelerate tissue healing. This nerve is doing so much more than we ever realized. Now, here's why this matters for your practice. When your clients come to you stuck in chronic pain, anxiety, or illness, their vagus nerve is often in a state of low tone, meaning it's not functioning properly. They're stuck in sympathetic dominance, that's the fight or flight, and their body literally cannot access healing mechanisms. So think about how many of your clients are dealing with chronic inflammation, digestive issues, heart palpitations, anxiety, difficulty relaxing during sessions, slow healing responses. These are all signs of poor vagal tone. And here's the game changer. You can measure vagal tone through heart rate variability, the variation in time between heartbeats. So a higher HRV means better vagal tone, which means better healing capacity. So when you're working with a client and they're not responding to treatment, or they can't seem to get out of the stress state, you're not just dealing with energy blocks, you're dealing with a nervous system that's physiologically stuck. Okay, so how do we activate the vagus nerve? Here are the techniques that I use with every single client. Technique 1, the vagal breath. This is the simplest and most powerful technique. Have your client inhale for 4 counts. So in through the nose, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2, and then exhale through the mouth, 6 to 8 counts. Now, the longer the exhale is actually key. This is great also for people who have any kind of breathing issues. So think about it. The vagus nerve is also affecting the lungs. So why does this work? The vagus nerve is activated on the exhale. That long, slow exhale literally stimulates the vagal tone and shifts the nervous system into parasympathetic mode. Now, I have clients do this for 2 to 3 minutes at the start of every session. The second technique is humming or chanting, and it sounds simple, but it's incredibly effective. The vagus nerve innervates your vocal cords and your throat. So when you hum, chant, or even moan or gargle, you're creating vibrations that directly stimulate the nerve. So try it now. Just hum for 30 seconds. Notice how your body, you'll feel a shift. The third technique is one of my favorites. It's cold exposure, splashing cold water on your face and holding a cold compress to your neck is what's called the dive reflex. It immediately stimulates the vagus nerve and slows heart rate. And I teach clients to do this before bed or during any anxiety episodes. It's a fast reset. The fourth technique, gentle neck and jaw relief. The vagus nerve runs right along the side of your neck. So for those of you who are familiar with the SCM, right along the side of your neck from your jaw. So place your fingertips on the side of your neck below and apply light pressure while turning your head. Now you can glide down that muscle or you can do nice circles, just small circles, turning your head at the same time. And this is something that you can incorporate into any body work or energy healing session. The fifth technique is the social connection and eye contact. And here's something most healers miss. The vagus nerve is activated through safe social engagement. When you make warm eye contact with your client, speak in a calm tone, and create a sense of safety, you're activating the vagus nerve through what's called neuroception, their nervous system's subconscious detection of safety. And this is why your presence as a healer matters so much. You're not just doing techniques, you're creating the nervous system environment for healing to happen. So here's the takeaway. The vagus nerve is the bridge between your brain, your body, and your healing capacity. And when you understand how to activate it through breath, vibration, cold exposure, body with safe connection, you're giving your client's nervous system permission to heal. This isn't just theory, it's measurable. It's research neuroscience that explain why holistic techniques work. Start incorporating these vagal activation techniques into your next session and watch what happens. Your clients will drop into a deeper relaxation faster. Their bodies will respond better to the treatment, and you will see the healing outcomes you've never seen. If you want to dive deeper into nervous system informed healing practices, subscribe to this channel. I'm releasing new videos every week on the science of holistic therapy technique. Tell me, have you noticed any low vagal tone in your clients? What techniques have you tried? I read every comment and I'd love to hear from you. So until next time, keep healing, keep learning, and remember you have the power to activate your client's innate healing capacity. You just need to know how to turn it on. And remember to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Many